Hey guys, I'm MeeMee and I do all the sons, and today is the new year, new Zenpop box. I think this is in January, so I'm not too sure, but I know that this is the new year box, and at the moment I'm filming this and it is the 22nd of January, so it is a little bit late. I have been filming a bit of a long video, so this has been on the sidelines for like at least a week and a half or something like that. So now it's here and I finally get to see what's inside. If you don't know what Zenpop is the monthly Japanese stationery subscription box. You can get in the ramen and sweets boxes as well, but I get the stationery one. I'm not sponsored, not affiliated, just a huge fan of Japanese stationery. So without further ado, let's see what we get inside. Right, so we've got our usual little pamphlets. These are the different boxes that you can get. So just remove the contents one, which I do not want to have a look at yet. And we'll see what's behind this beautiful yellow paper. Ooh, ooh, wow, it's very orangey in here. Ooh, is that what I think it is? Yes, it is a mechanical pencil. Why did that sound very sarcastic? I do not know. But I love my mechanical pencils, and this one is quite a thick boy. So it's got some really cute characters on it. I have no idea what it is, but to say it's in Sumiko Gurashi, when I'm assuming so, it is so adorable. So in the close and look, it's a nice thick barrel, and it's got a good grip on it. It's plastic, you've got a bit of a grip down here, you've got all of these really cute characters, got an eraser on the end, and there's your lead. Standard, but a really cute mechanical pen. Yeah, it's a good start. I love my mechanical pencils, and that's going into my pencil case. Ooh, oh wow, yay! Oh, it's the first time I've actually owned one of these. I have no idea what they call it. Hold on. In Searins and Daruma, that's what it's called. And it looks like then you can get different ones in different colours and they all mean different things. So apparently I got the orange one and I get school success. Yeah, I'm a little bit old for school right now, but it is so freaking adorable. I haven't actually mentioned it, but it is an eraser. And I've actually started collecting these as well, so I got a little jar on my shelf and I'm actually starting to collect these. Right, so up next we have what looks like a stamp. So this is what it looks like. We've got the same characters as on the mechanical pencil. We've got this chubby little cat on the other side. Oh, you twist it. I mean, you can't see unless I'm doing that one. But that's the same chubby cat on the sticker, so you know which one's which. And it's not the best, but that's what it looks like. And it's in a, and I can't really tell, but I don't know whether that's in a black or brown ink. But that is so cute, and I've also got ink pads as well, so if I run out of ink on that, I can carry on using it. Then I'm assuming then this then came out of the packet, and it's like all of the different ones that you can get, and that's the one that I've got, so I think I've got number 2. Right, next we have page markers, I think. Then sticky notes. These are actually quite cute. So they're all the same design and it's in really lovely like muted pastel colours. And it comes in this cute little booklet. Omamori Fusen. So for next we have a pencil and this one is Rilakuma. I have quite a few of these, well, with Rilakuma on it. And in yellow with some of the really cute characters. It's time to relax with cute cats. How true is that? I mean, I'm sorry, but I'm a cat person. And this one's a B pencil. Just found another quote and my camera's not focusing properly. Tomorrow with cats make me happy. Anything else? There's another one. They are cute cats. Look like someone. Okay, but I love my pencils, I love cuteness, and I'll go with the rest of them. Right, up next is one of my favourite things. I have a huge collection of washi tapes. I mean, I have such a huge collection of washi tapes, and I've got a full box of these, and I've made my own little, I suppose, like washing line, I suppose, some washi tapes. That's full. I've got pegs, and they're full. And now I've got some in like just tucked away because I've got no room to put them whatsoever. Wow, this is such a long design. So I finally found the end of the design, and I don't know how to show this properly, but you've got really cute characters on here. I have no idea what some of these are. Like that fish, I think it's like a koi fish, a dog, thing, a rabbit, no, that one, butterfly, a camellia, I think that's how you pronounce it, shrimp, whatever that is. Again, the camera's not focusing properly. Drum, fish, and orange, I think, and then we're back to whatever this green thing is. Oh, the green thing is a bird. So it is a very long design. And so next we have what looks like a pen. Oh, this is an erasable pen. So this is Pilot, and it's called the Lame, I think. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the names, but I love this colour. And it's in dark blue to green gradient. It's like very pearlescent as well, with the, decorated with little stars, and it's got a dark blue grip as well to blend in with the dark blue in the barrel. And at the tip you've got the eraser. Ooh. Oh, well, I've never come across a pen beam before where you have to click down whatever this part is, and then click it again and it comes back up. We're just in a bit of a scribble, and that is such a beautiful green, and it's sparkly as well. Just raise it. I don't know what you call them where you live, and I mean different places have different names for everything. But in England we have palette friction pens. Unfortunately I don't have one on me, but I'll insert a picture in here somewhere. But they're easily recognisable because there's like a bit of a tribal design on the barrel. So yeah, I actually really do love that, and I really love the colour, so I cannot wait to use that. Right, and up next we have a block memo pad. I use these an awful lot. So we have this really cute picture. I have no idea what it is, and it is super cute. So we've got the same character there. Another one. I like this. Oh, I wonder if that's the name. I'm a bee. Ah, I wonder if it's a bird. And I was almost correct with the name. I'm a bee, and apparently the unofficial mascot to fight COVID-19. Been getting some really interesting like COVID related stuff. Yeah, it's actually interesting to know that it's a legendary mermaid or merman with 3 legs rose out of Japanese folklore and texts. Oh, that's so cute. So then it's our mermaid memo pad, or mermaid merpad. Yeah, I'll see myself out. And then up next we have these masking tape seals, and there's 2 sheets of them with all of these designs. And each design actually has some gold foil on them as well. Right, and last but not least, we have a letter set. I'm assuming that's what it is, and we're going to find out. Ooh, I love that metallic foil. Now this year is actually the year of the ox, so I'm assuming then this is in relation to it. Oh no, they're envelopes. So we get 3 envelopes in the same design, and these are actually money pouches. But what you do is that you put money in these money pouches and you give them to your children. And so with good luck. Yeah, that is so cute. Unfortunately, I don't have kids, so I'm going to find a use for these elsewhere. But that is such a simple but a cute and effective design. So there we go, guys, and the first box from 2021. And honestly, once again, I thoroughly loved every bit of it. Such a cute design, and it even ties in with the year of the ox or cow, depending where you are. And again, it's super exciting to actually use these. Right, and if you guys are interested in your own Zenpop box, I will put the link in the description box below. So in that sense, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy belated New Year, and I will see you all in the next video.